안녕하세요. Hello everybody. This is me again. Okay. As what I have said to you in my last video, I'm going to teach you the Sino-Korean numbers. There is a part 2 in this Sino-Korean lesson. So, Sino-Korean numbers, I'm gonna teach you from 1 to 10. Okay? So, 1 to 10 lang po yung ituturo ko sa inyo this time. Okay? So, abangan nyo po yung part 2. Okay? So, by the way, before I gonna start to teach you the Sino-Korean number, shout out nga pala kay Tropstar. Thank you for your compliments. God bless and your whole family. Okay? So, 1 through 10. Sino-Korean numbers. Let's start from number 1. 1 in Sino-Korean is hana. Hana. Okay? 1 in Sino-Korean is hana. Hana. Okay? 2 is dul. Dul. 2 is dul. Don't say door. Okay? It's L sound. Dul. Dul. Okay? Next is 3, which is set. Set. Okay? Pag itong S, shiyot is 혼자. 혼자 means alone. Wala siyang katabi dito. Ang pronunciation niya is T. Okay? But, D, more on D siya, pero sa kanila kasi D, said, ganyan. Pero, pwede na rin kasi kahit T sound siya. Kasi yung D at saka T kasi sa kanila is medyo magkaparehas lang yung sound. Okay? So, that's why dito is set. Okay, set. Parang tama din naman yung D sound at saka T sound magkapareho kunti. Okay? So, sa atin in English, it's very different, right? So, D, T. D, T. Pero, a little similar. Baba? Sa lesson? Said. Halimbawa, D sound. Said. Yung ito? Set. Okay? Pero pag sasabihin yung set, maintindihan nila yan. Okay? So, that is set. Set. T sound. Set. Okay? Set is 3. Next to set is net. Okay, net. Dito din, may shiyot. Kahit S ito siya sa atin, but the pronunciation is net. T. Net. Okay? Net. Hana, dul, set, net. Net. Okay? Okay, last time, review ko lang ulit. Pag may kasama ito dito may katabi siyang A, halimbawa, A. Pero ang pagbasa niyan is ne-sa. Kasi yung S dito is i-connect mo dito sa A na vowel. Pag vowel lang, A, I, I, O, O, mga ganyan mo. Ya, ye. Pwede yon. So, halimbawa ang katabi dito is ya. Pero ne, siya ang pagbasa. But here is only one syllable. Kaya, ang pronunciation ng S is hindi S, but T sound. Net. Net. Okay? Hana, dul, set, net. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Next to net is dasot. Dasot. Okay? So, that is 5. Dasot. Okay? Don't say sot, but sot. Dasot. Okay? T sound. T. Kasi S siya is nag-iisa lang siya. Okay? Dasot. Next is 6, which is yosot. Yosot. Sot. Yosot. Okay? T sound. Next is 7. Ilgup. Ilgup. This one, don't say ear. Okay, though ang real, this is real. Okay, real is either R or L sound. Depende po yan sa word. But in here, L sound po siya. 7 is ilgup. Ilgup. Okay? Il. hopefully marunong na po kayo magsulat ng Korean alphabets kasi aporo ano na po ako yung hindi na po ako more on writing, more on reading. Tapos sentence, explain ko ano yon. Okay, so let's move on. 일곱. Okay, 일곱. Okay, next is 8. That is 여덟. 여덟. Okay, so here, take note, may dalawang consonant sa baba. But you are not going to read all of this. Yodol, no. Okay, it's not yodol, but it is yodol. Okay, itong B is silent po yan siya. No sound. W, no sound. Only this one, real, which is closer to L sound. Yodol. Yodol. Yodel. Okay, yodel. Okay. Next, 9. 9 is ahop. 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 Next, the last number, 10 is yol. Yol. Okay, this is also L sound. Yol. Yol. Okay, so 1 through 10 is 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Okay, it's very easy. Kabisaduhin niyo po yon. But this time, it's your turn. Okay, hindi po ako magsasalita. Kayo po ang magbasa and kabisaduhin niyo na din po. Very useful po ito. Sino-Korean. Okay, start. Okay, that's it. Okay, yan po yung part 1 ng Sino-Korean numbers. Okay, abangan nyo po yung part 2. And by the way, before I gonna say goodbye, itong Sino-Korean is very important din po. Kasi, halimbawa, sasabihin mo na ilan yung mansanas mo. Okay? Halimbawa, sagwa 몇 개 있어요? How many apples are there? Halimbawa, sabihin ng ganyan. Hindi mo gagamitin yung native Korean numbers. Okay? Native Korean numbers, no. Gagamitin nyo is Sino-Korean number. Yung 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열, 일단 열까지. Until 10. So, halimbawa, how many apples do you have? O, ilan yung sagwa mo? sagwa 몇 개 있어? 몇 개 가지고 있어? So, you're going to say, halimbawa, isa or dalawa. Let's say, dalawa. Di ba yung apple is sagwa in Korean? So, you're gonna say, 2 apples. So, that in Korean, that is sagwa 2 개. 2 개. Okay? So, 둘 개, no. 하나 개도 아니고, not 하나 개. You're gonna say, 한 개, 두 개, 세 개, 네 개, 다섯 개, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 이렇게. But, mapag-aralan po natin ito after ng part 2 nitong Sino-Korean number. Wherein, bakit nagiging 한개 yung hana? Bakit hindi hanage, dulge? Okay? So, pag sasabihin mong isang mansanas, sagwa, hange. Dalawang mansanas, sagwa, tuge. Okay? Okay. Sa this moment, yun lang po muna yung ituturo ko sa inyo. And abangan nyo po yung part 2 nito. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. 감사합니다. 다음에 또 만나요. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.